In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can convert Easter eggs into Easter keys here on Sailor Piece in Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, you need to go to Easter Island and just start by farming these bunny NPCs to collect Easter eggs in the first place. I wonder how many I have now, actually. These do take a while to farm, I'll be honest with you, so be ready for like a little bit of a grind. It looks like right now I have about 86 of them, right? But essentially what you need to go ahead and do is just farm these guys. And once you have however many eggs that you want and you're ready to convert them, you need to stop farming them for a second and just make your way to the other side of this hill right over here. You're going to see a little Easter bunny NPC right here. Interact with them just like so, and you're going to have to go ahead and complete a quest. Now this quest is kind of annoying. It's essentially an Easter egg hunt. You need to find all 7 hidden Easter eggs. We have a full guide breaking down all these locations, so just search up 7 hidden Easter eggs, just pause, and that guide will pop up. I recommend watching that because it will give you a full step-by-step guide on every single one of those locations. But essentially, once you do have all those hidden Easter eggs found, come back to Easter Island, interact with this NPC again, and you'll be able to convert your Easter eggs into Easter keys. Now, these aren't the Easter eggs that you just found. These are the Easter eggs that you've been farming from the bunny NPCs over here. But that actually is the entire process. It really is as simple as that. These keys are then used to summon the Great Mage boss. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.